Hey, looks like there's another bear in the house. Maybe a barracuda. Or is it just a CUDA? It's still a Plymouth, a 1970. Did I almost say 60? Yeah, I did. I have a problem with 6s and 7s. But it's a 1970 Plymouth CUDA. It's got enough room though to fit a bear. And a picnic basket. $440. Nice. You know, if the Grinch was to drive a car, he probably would pick this. It's got the muscles, and it's his color, green. It ain't easy being green. Oh wait, that's Kermit. Hey, if you see this one, my creamy friend, say something. Don't just croak. Till the next episode, enjoy the Plymouth CUDA.